Hi, Namaste to all at Dalasa Falke Film Festival 2020. My name is Nihar and I'm representing my team who submitted the film called The Shattered Dream. This film's idea came about when we participated for a film fest competition. It was a 72-hour film competition in which we were given a theme to work with. So the theme was Broken Dreams, and our director, who is also a writer, came up with a story, and we started working on the film. By the end of the 54th hour, we realized that the story wasn't sufficing what we wanted to say. So it was a better option for us to change the story and start working on another project before we lose more time. Our director again, he came up with another story, and this story started resonating with the concept we wanted to showcase. And the story was about a passionate dancer who met with an unfortunate event and still kept going, and that kind of resonated with our current situation because we were left with 19 hours and we didn't know whether it was possible for us to complete a short film in 19 hours, and making a short film takes time, and it is a time taking process. So based on that, the story also resonated with our situation, and that's what inspired us to keep going with the film. Was to like, and what drew us was like, can we do what we preach? Because what the film says is about keep going no matter what the obstacles are. Like, we have like keep going, and that's what we kept doing for the past 19 hours. With the left 19 hours we had, we finished the whole process of like, we finished everything from pre to post, everything in the past 19 hours, and we had submitted our film. I still remember how our team almost done with the editing, and then there was no time left for submission, and we had left on the bike. The movie was being rendered live on the laptop while we were traveling, while he was on the bike on his way to the submission arena. Just like that, what obstacles we faced were, because we turned things around with the story. It was hard to get actors and location and props that was going in line with the story. And like finding things, time was a constraint, and which was also another obstacle that we faced. The film, it came through 80% that has envisioned it. The 20% was because of the lighting condition. We had to shoot everything before 6. So that was one problem, and also one challenge that we faced. What our audience, our previous audience, and what the future audience will find and have found is that the fact of it being made in 19 hours is something that amazes them and something that amuses them in a way that they can't believe it until and when shown the film, they are impressed with it. So that's one unique selling point of our film, and that is one reason why we want the audience to watch this film, is because there are film festivals that have a 48-hour challenge. There are film festivals who have a 72-hour challenge. But creating a film in 19 hours was a big task, and like, it was amazing. It was an amazing experience that I would like to really share with people, and I would like to get the message out there that 24 hours a day is also a lot of time to create something. So that would be the message I would want to give to my former filmmakers at Dalasa Falke Film Festival 2020. Thank you.